Imagine life as a grand, infinite cinema, where each frame represents a distinct reality. It's a place where the what and why of your deepest desires are the stars of the show, and the how is the script that writes itself. This is the art of shifting to parallel realities, a concept that might sound like science fiction, yet it's a fascinating perspective on how we can navigate the vast possibilities of our existence. The what and why. Directing your desires. In this cinematic universe, the what is your vision, the clear image of your desire, be it love, success, or adventure. The why is the emotional soundtrack, the powerful motivation that gives depth and color to your aspirations. Together, they create a magnetic pull, drawing you toward the reality that resonates with your vision. The unseen editor. How life cuts and splices your reality. You don't need to be a seasoned director to understand that the meaning you assign to life's events is like choosing the takes that make the final cut. Lose a job? That could be a scene leading to despair or, alternatively, the inciting incident for a thrilling comeback story. It's all about the narrative you craft. The quantum leap. Tuning into your desired channel. Every moment, you're the editor-in-chief, with the power to select a new frame, a new reality. Want to be more confident? Cut to the frame where you're already standing tall, commanding the room with your presence. This isn't about creating a new scene. It's about tuning into the frequency of a reality that already exists, much like choosing a TV channel. Imagination. Your personal projection room. Your imagination is the projector that illuminates the possibilities before you. It bridges the gap between the seen and unseen, the current you and the you that's waiting in the wings. By imagining how you would think, feel, and act in your desired reality, you begin to embody that version of yourself. The meaning behind the scenes. Scripting your shift. The meanings you assign to life's events are the script revisions that can change the genre of your life story. They're the decisions that can turn a tragedy into a triumph, a comedy into an epic. By choosing the meanings that align with your desires, you dictate the direction of your reality shift. The new you. Casting call for the lead role. Every tick of the clock is a fresh opportunity to recast yourself in a new role. You're not bound by the previous scenes. You're free to step into the spotlight as the most empowered, confident version of yourself. This shift in identity and energy is what changes your interactions and how the world responds to you. The ultimate takeaway. Your reality is now showing. The key lesson in this grand cinema of life is that the reality you seek is not a distant dream. It's playing on another screen, waiting for you to tune in. You don't need to create it. You just need to resonate with it. Whether you aspire to wealth, health, or happiness, that version of you is already out there, living in a parallel frame. So, take your seat, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the show. Remember, you're not just the audience. You're the director, the editor, and the star. The film of your life is yours to edit, and each frame is a gateway to a new reality. What will your next scene be? Dive into the art of shifting realities and watch your life transform, one frame at a time.